In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an image to the mobile background in Squarespace. If you want your site to feel polished on phones, setting a dedicated background image for mobile is a quick win. I'll walk you through it clearly so you can follow along without pausing every few seconds. Start by opening your site in Squarespace. At the top right of the editor, you'll see a small mobile icon. Click that to switch into mobile view. This view mimics how your page looks on a phone, which is important because images often crop differently on small screens. Working in mobile view helps you make choices with the final result in mind, rather than guessing from the desktop layout. Next, click Edit. This puts the page into editing mode so you can make changes. You should see the page sections outlined as you hover. If this is your first time editing, don't worry. Squarespace makes it pretty intuitive. You're not changing your entire site here, just the specific areas you choose. Now select the section where you want the background image to appear. Move your cursor over that section, click Edit Section, and then open the Background tab. Think of a section as a horizontal slice of your page, like a header, a banner, or a content block. The Background tab controls what sits behind the content in that slice, which is exactly what we need. In the Background tab, choose Image. You'll be prompted to upload an image from your computer or select one from your library. Pick the image you want to use and upload it. Squarespace will place it behind the content in that section for the mobile view you're working in. Give it a moment to process and you should see the change right away. A few quick tips as you choose your image. Aim for a high-quality file that isn't overly large, so it loads quickly on mobile data. Vertical or centrally composed photos usually look best on phones. Keep the important parts of the image away from the edges, since mobile screens can crop differently across devices. Also consider contrast. If you have text on top of this section, make sure it's still easy to read once the image is in place. That's all there is to it. You switched to mobile view, entered edit mode, chose your section, opened the background tab, selected image, and uploaded your file. Take a quick scroll to confirm it looks great, and you're done. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your refreshed mobile background in Squarespace.